Right, okay. Villiers MK25C. This is my very first YouTube video, so excuse the all the mistakes, blah blah blah. Right, okay. I think it's about a 1954, 55, 56 year. Bought it in a box of bits and pieces. It was partly restored. It was done cosmetically. All the parts were cleaned, carried painted, blah blah blah, barrel done. But it was in a box of bits, unfinished project. So yeah, reassembly went okay. I shan't do a video on my handiwork, you know. I'll leave that to the professional YouTubers. Anyway, quick scout round. It was missing all the magneto parts, so it was a total mag rebuild. Yeah, new HT lead, top, yeah, bits and bobs like that. I think the exhaust is off of a Mark 1 midget, off of a mower. Yeah, so there we go. So yeah, just a quick video. I'll do a few more videos of the other engines I've got. Hello, cat. And we'll see how we go from there. But yeah, I'll give it a run up in a minute and see how we get on.